doing adding and subtracting fractions. So this month for Number Corner, we have reviewed this a little bit. It's something we did in the winter, but we are gonna get back at it. So here we have 1/4 plus 1/5. Now remember, when you're adding fractions or subtracting them, uh-oh, my pen's not working, hold on. You have to have the same denominator. In this case, we have different denominators. There are two ways that we can get our denominator to be the same number. Option 1, which is on your seesaw, is to find the multiples of both denominators. So the multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. I can keep going or I can stop, up to you. The multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20. I'm going to stop there because right there I see my common multiple, and that is 20. Option 2 to find a common denominator is to multiply your two denominators. 4 times 5 equals 20. That is your common denominator. Now, when you do that second option, the only problem is sometimes you're going to get a number that's way higher than option 1. Okay, in this case, we got the same thing, so it works out. Step 2 is we have to change our fractions. So you'll see on your seesaw that the charts are made for you already. In the first side, on the left side, you want to put the original fraction. So our first fraction is 1/4. Our second fraction is 1/5. Now, in the column on the right, that's where you're going to get your new fraction. And we know that our denominator needs to be 20. All right, let's take a look. The only side, or the only section we have done is that bottom section. So we have to look and see, well, 4 times what gets me to 20? If I don't know, I can go back to option 1 and I can count 4 times 1, 4 times 2, 4 times 3, 4 times 4, 4 times 5. So 4 times 5 gets me to 20. Whatever is done on the bottom needs to be done up top. 1 times 5 is 5. This is my new fraction right here. So 1/4 and 5/20 are actually equivalent fractions. So I'm going to rewrite this fraction over here. All right, next up, we've got to change 1/5. 5 times 4 gets me to 20. Whatever I do the bottom, I have to do up top. 1 times 4 equals 4. So here is my new fraction. Instead of 1/5, I am adding 4/20. Now, when you add fractions, remember your denominator stays the same. So our denominator is going to be 20. And all we have to do is add our numerators. 5 plus 4, which equals 9.